This is the Domi Hardtop Gazebo, 10 foot by 14 foot. Took my wife and I about a month to put this together, but we were putting it together in little stints because we have little kids. I would say though that you could probably put it together in a weekend if you were really motivated. I do recommend putting it together with 2 people. I don't even know if it would be possible with 1 person. That's for a couple reasons. We did some of this stuff by ourselves, like the legs, but then when you get to this point of connecting the legs, you have these cross beams, and these cross beams are nearly impossible to put together by yourself because you somehow have to stabilize the one pole while the other leg is getting the frame assembled to it. You can see we added this light. It just gets a little dark if you have the curtains closed. We have also some outdoor lighting that we added, but the outdoor lighting is more for decoration at night. The indoor light is the one that you're actually going to be using if you're inside. So you can see we added a little solar panel here that charges up that light, so you don't need to have it connected. The other outdoor lights are connected to an outlet that we have outside. One thing I will say, a tip about putting this together, you have these little spacers in here. The instructions tell you to put the spacers on before you put these panels in place. It's nearly impossible because these spacers, they're gonna fall out. They're gonna fall out while you're lifting it and trying to jam it into the spot it's supposed to be in. So what you really have to do is put the spacers in either afterwards, or especially for these ones way up here, just kind of rest them in place ahead of time. So that's probably the most difficult part. The part I thought was going to be pretty fast and pretty easy was the top roof panels, but that was actually one of the most difficult parts. So be aware of that. You can see too, this does have, the one that we got has a little water trough, right? A little drain, and it gets clogged up. I mean, that's expected just because we have a lot of trees in our area. So you will have to clean this out fairly often. But overall, like, we're really enjoying it so far. Report back later, but you know, overall we've really enjoyed this. Now that it's assembled, it was a little bit of a pain to put together, but overall it's been really nice. Would I recommend getting one? Yes, I would. I think for the price, it's very reasonable price for the quality of gazebo. But if you have any comments or questions on it, let me know. This is the Domi Hardtop Gazebo with the drains that you can see. There's little downspouts here. They kind of drain into each corner of the gazebo.